Hi, I would like to show you how to work with batch blocks in select sublibrary in CAS Standard. So, both are the same, there is just difference between data types, real or unsigned integer. So let's make it bigger. This block is extendable. I can extend it from 1 to 10 inputs, and basically it selects the inputs according to the rising edge, and it holds the output according to the selected input. 5, 10, 7, whatever, 12, 11. And in case that we have more positive edges at the same time during the same PLC cycle time, so the one with the highest priority, which means with the lowest number of the input, wins. Therefore, the state which is lower active will be on the output. In case that there is other pulse on those inputs later on, so the value on the output is changed according to the last valid positive edge on one of those inputs. Let's try it. So let's try it. Let's activate positive edge on input 4. So even the input is not active, so we see that on the output of this block, on this batch block, remains the state, for example, number 12. In case that I will activate input 2, so there is the value 10 remains on the output. In case that we have all of them together activated at the same time, for example, so let's go to debug mode or step mode of the PLC, like that. And right now the PLC should be stopped and wait for the other cycle step. So right now we have those 5 inputs active at the moment, and we will create positive edge like one wave. So let's make a step. Do you see all of them are active at the moment? But the one with the highest priority won. And in the next cycle step of the PLC it's turned off. Let's kick out first and second, for example, or all of them, because we need to do edge. Debug, stop, okay. No debug. Step ahead, and for example only then this and this and this is active at the moment, so let's go ahead. And do you see that only the input which is active and it has highest priority, which is priority 3, is connected to the output, and even if it's already in running mode, so let's play the PLC cycle again. Let's run it again. False. So all of them are deactivated, all of them, but the output remains in the last state. In case that I would like to zero it or hold it in other state, so we could use for that the forcing input. So the forcing number and enabling of forcing, and in case that I force whatever now, state number 33, so I can hold it in state I would like to have it until something. We use this block for example for new state machine logic, which is really useful in CAS ACDH library, and it helps us to drive the state machine logic according to the last state which was valid. It would be more visible in other videos which are taking care about the state machine logic in the future. And that's it. So the main purpose is for example, for selecting of modes for state machine logics and so on. And it's really powerful system. That's great.